How to turn off SOS on iPhone. To turn off SOS on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll all the way to the end. From here, you need to tap on the Emergency SOS option. Once you're in, you can press and hold the side button and either volume button to make an emergency call. But we are here to turn it off. For that, go to the Call with Hold and Release option and toggle it off. Now, if you continuously hold the side button and either volume button, a countdown begins, and an alarm sounds. After the countdown, if you release the buttons, the iPhone will call emergency services. Then, go to the Call After Severe Crash option. Toggle this off as well. Before hitting the Turn Off button, make sure you have read the warning and the suggestions carefully. Know that in severe crashes, you may need emergency services but might be unable to call them yourself. For the time being, turn it off. Now, you can't send any emergency SOS calls to anyone during a hazardous situation. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off SOS on your iPhone.